Hello everyone. If you are frustrated with the new pour spouts on the cans you buy these days, there's another way. I went on Amazon the other day and looked up pour spouts for gas cans, and you can buy these replacement spouts like the old spouts you used to buy. They'll come with the spout, they'll come with a different couple caps and a cap to go on the end. But the big thing that they come with is these vent ports. And the kit that I got, they sent a drill bit that's just that fits that vent port. So basically you drill one hole, insert the vent, that way you got the option to close it up if you're hauling it. But if it's sitting around in the hot sun, these new cans with these spouts with no vent, it looks like a bomb getting ready to blow up when that can starts expanding. But you can open the vent to keep that pressure off. But like I say, they'll send you a couple caps. You'll find which one that fits your thread. They've got the rubber gasket in it. Throw it on there and you got a new can. And when you're trying to pour gas, you don't have to dilly-dally around with trying to get this pressed in and pushed in and holding the can and trying to get it poured in whatever you're pouring it into. Weed eaters were always a small blower or weed eater, whatever small, and you're trying to hold that and get it pushed in. I bought one for each one of my cans and stuck them on there, and it just makes life a whole lot easier. So if you're trying to pour it in something small, you can bend this down, get it started, and then pour what you need. But obviously you got the vent as well, so if you're pouring any amount, you don't have to worry about it, sucking and trying to get a vacuum or creating a vacuum, and it won't pour out. But anyway, it works really well, and I'm pleased. One thing I would tell you to do when you drill your vent port hole, keep it as high on the can as you can. That way, if you're down here somewhere with your vent, obviously if you're got a full can, you have some leaking out your vent hole if you do it down here where your fuel's at. But keep it as high as you can. I found those on Amazon. They had plenty of options. And I was in NAPA the other day and I saw they had some replacement spouts as well. But if you're frustrated like I was, there's a better way. Anyway, catch you on the next one.